In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow camera access to TikTok app on iPhone and Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, on iPhone we need to head over to Settings. And then we need to scroll down all the way until we find TikTok. Here it is. Then we'll be taken to that screen, and by the way, we can get to the same screen without scrolling down. Right from here, from the very top of settings page, we can easily use search to search for TikTok. That's how we can find it much quicker. And once we get to that page, we can easily find camera here, and all we have to do in order to allow TikTok app to access to our iPhone's camera is just make sure that this toggle turned on. On an Android, we need to head over to the settings as well. To do that, I'm gonna swipe down on the home screen and then tap at gear. On settings, we need to scroll down until we find apps, and then in the same way we can scroll down until we find TikTok app here in that list, or we can just use search to search for it. Once we find TikTok here, we need to get into it. That's where we can easily find permissions. And once you get into permissions in that list, you can easily find camera. And that's where we can choose one of three options, such as allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I prefer to use allow only while using the app, and I recommend you to choose that option. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.